Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Google Smart TV. And in today's video, I will show you how to change device name in your Google TV. Let me show you how. So the very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and make sure you navigate to settings. On getting to settings, go ahead and click on the K and you are here. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and scroll down. Continue to scroll down. Continue to scroll down until you get to system right here. Go ahead and click on OK. Now you are here. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on About. The next thing you want to do is to scroll down right here. Go ahead and click on device name. The next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on change. And the next thing you want to do, you can simply choose any of the name right here, or better still, come down below right here, click on custom name right here. This will allow you to enter a custom name, just like so. So as for me in this tutorial, I'm going to choose any of the listed name right here. I'm going to select this particular name right here, and the name will be successfully changed to your new preferred name that you have right here. It's that simple. So you can see this 2K Smart TV is currently named as 2K Smart TV. It's that simple. For more tutorial tips and tricks on how best to use your Google TV, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.